What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cakes. We are back for another video back on Melrose or Fairfax. But yeah, checking out some spots we haven't been to in a while. Let's go. So we're at Soul Revival resale shop. Dude got Bossco Mitchell here. Yeah, so someone yelling, what the hell? All right, let's go. Let's go. So Soul Revival, this place is huge. They have all their new sneakers over there. They have a used sneaker section over here. They even have an under $95 section. I've been dying to check that out. I did come here for a specific pair of shoes. I believe the 10s are right here, 10 and a halves are right here. I don't think they have them though. They did have them posted yesterday on Instagram. They had them last night, but I did have to go to work today, so yeah, I don't think they're here, dang it. There were some SB Dunks. Yeah, I'll ask somebody, but I'm pretty sure it's not here anymore. God dang it. But of course, we are gonna check the prices. You got some Ferraris right here, Ferrari 14s. Oh, these look brand new. Dang it, I thought this was the used section. You have the PSG 7s right here. I can't tell what's new, what's used. These look brand new. Trying to find a bunch of the 10 and a halves. Not seeing too much interesting stuff. Got the 18s. You don't see these too often.
Not too bad. Yeah,
they're like $2 bills. It's in really good condition. Not too bad.
Make sure you guys check out.
Got some SB Dunk mids right here. I don't really know what these are. Tie-dye. $2 bills. So some of the prices not too bad. Resale has gone down quite a bit. I'm $150 for these. Really? These are in really good condition. These are the LeBron Air Max 95s. I remember these. I think, yeah, this is slightly used. $2 bills though. $2 bills. Pretty much retail. Super clean. Did I show these earlier? Dude, they're $130. $130. These are hella clean. They look brand new. Dang, what were these called? I remember these coming out with the alligator skin. $100 for these bad boys. Some 7s from way back when go for $2 bills. These are dope. These are fire. I think I do have a size 11 of these at home. $2 bills for these. This is hella clean. Obviously it has been worn, but still looks legit. Super clean. It's like, I know these ain't the brass, but it's the infrared lows. Infrared lows. What's the price for these? $250, not too bad. Size 10 and a half, $100 for the playoff 14s. That's a hell of a deal. 4s right here, $469. That's one of the high pairs. Flint 6s. I bet you these are gonna be hella cheap. $110. Not bad. This is not in great condition though, to be honest. Fragments. These were up. These were down. These are kind of regular now. $2 bills for these. Bossco doing his thing. Make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel. We need to see this thing. This is my cup of tea right here. Under $100. See what they got. Slides are pretty clean. These are pretty clean. $100. Not too shabby. This is a size 12 too. This is the bone colorway. These some hair 7s right here. They're in okay condition. $100. Got some 5s from way back when. $95 for these. Do got some 7 lows right here. Can't really tell the color. It's like a yellowish color. Or yeah, man. Size 14. $50. $50 for those. Got some Quantums right here. These are $100. Size 11. Like a lot of the stuff's pretty clean. Alright, maybe not that one. Some 2s from way back. Seen these in years. Size 13. $100. Got some 14s that you don't see anywhere. Size 13 go for $100. Call those the black toes. Do have a few kids playing some hoops or shooting around. I think a couple of them from out of town too. All right, let's see what these lost and founds are going for. I think this is a used pair. Used pair still going for $4 bills. Size 13. These Chinese New Year's down to $120. These are size 13. Under 4s. Going for $319 used. Black History Month 2s. We saw these so many times at the outlets. These are going for $100. Got some Laneys going for $250. Shoot, I forgot what this was called. I remember seeing these in stores. I totally forgot it. Dream It, Do It going for $90. The Unions, $219 for these. Checking out some of the newer stuff. The new sneakers, $350 for the reimagined 3s. Reimagined 1s, these are bigger size. $550 for size 14. They got the DMP pack right there, which is freaking fire. $550 for those. That's not even that much above retail, to be honest. Infrared 6s. Huge fan of these. 4 bills for these, size 10. Got the breads right here, bread 11s. Brand new, going for $400. All right, so I did drive here for these. Look at this. It is a 10.5, going for $250. These easily sell for $500 brand new. Definitely not trying to pay brand new prices. $250 for these.
And the original box?
Yeah, with the original box and everything. Bosco. So these sell for like $500-600 brand new. Okay. $500-600 brand new. They're used. Obviously, they're not in the greatest condition. They're used for $250. $250. What do you think? So I did talk to Bosco. Bosco saying
that's not bad.
Cleaning up wouldn't be that wouldn't be that difficult because Bosco's cleaned. He has more experience cleaning stuff.
Definitely.
He's not a professional cleaner, but he's done stuff.
Now, all the cleaners now you can clean suede, so that should be fine.
Okay. And then Bosco said as long as I don't use red dye. Like your Yeezys.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, you got 100,000 views off of that. Dude, you got 100,000.
It's cool.
So I might pull the trigger, not the cleanest, but it's only $250, and like I said, these go for $500-600, and I might have to say yes. It. All right, I think I'm gonna grab those. Let's look around a little bit more though, because there are certain things that I still like. Obviously, I'm not gonna buy them, but look at this brand new 160. I could get these for 160. Holy cow! I so feel stupid for not picking one of these up at Shoe Palace when they had it on sale. The Mellow 13s. Y'all fellow collectors know about that. $350, they're going for $350 now. It is interesting seeing these here, but it's pretty much retail. Look at that, pretty much retail. So, you know, they are pretty fair. Zoom Generation 1s. This is the SVSM. It's high school colorway, $250. Arizona Dunks. We've seen these many times, $150 for these. 3 for the foams. Super Royals, what are these going for? $439. Dodger Dunks, I did have an opportunity to get size 11. This is going for over $400 now. Checked out a few sneakers here on the right. This is where the really hype stuff is. That's not something that I normally look into, but we'll take a look. They do got those bad boys right there too. One of my favorite 4s of all time, the Cos 4s. Obviously I don't have them because yeah, I'm definitely trying to pay that much. But yeah, $27.59. He's going for 8 racks, 8 bands, $8,000. Holy cow! I've never even seen these before. What are these? I've never even seen these. Fresh Prince, Friends and Family, go for $2 grand. Dornbecker 3s, 5s. This is my favorite 5 of all time. Dornbecker 5s. You do a black light on it, changes colors and stuff like that. That is just fire. Travis's. I feel dumb. These were available for $350 resale forever, and then they shot up eventually. Travis's. I'm not even gonna look at the price on all these because I can't afford them. Plenty of Thunders. Yeah, they do have a pretty decent selection. What the 5s? I'm a huge fan of those. Pretty decent selection. I think these are the bigger sizes. Dude, you don't see these too often. Holy crap. Okay, but yeah, I think I'm gonna pay for my thing. I think we might wrap it up. Wait, I really wanted these too, man. I just didn't want to pay that much. These are also inspired by a Porsche, just like the one that I'm getting now. Those are fire. If I can find one of those used, maybe I'll grab that used. Is it worth it, you guys? What do you guys think? $276 after taxes. Do got the full box, everything. I don't know. Those are one of my favorite shoes right now, so I'm so glad I'm getting them. Checking out a few things afterwards. This is a smaller size 7, but these are some dunks that I really wanted. Does a great job representing baseball and that type of stuff. Just super fire. 2 bills, not too bad. I'm on my year 4s. Everybody loves these. $429 for a 6.5. Yeah, I still want those. If anybody sees one of those for hella cheap, let me know. All right, let's go home. Let's go talk about these bad boys right here. Let's go. All right, guys, I did buy something resale. I did pay resale for these. Do got the box right here. This is a great thing I do like about resale shops. You know, you can actually see the box and stuff like that before, you know, like if you get them on GOAT, you only go with the pictures. It does have the little device board shop. It shows where it was bought, so that's kind of dope. Box, it's in okay condition. Could be a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? But that is what it is. When you buy used sneakers, that's kind of what happens. All right, so I did grab these bad boys, you guys. Nike SB Dunk Low Golf. These are one of my favorite dunks of all time. These are just freaking fire. It is inspired by a Porsche race car way back when. There was a specific Porsche car that it did, you know, it was inspired by, and I freaking just love these. These are just super fire. Amazing sneaker. Pretty decent condition. There is a good amount of dirt, to be honest. Like right here on the top, right here as well. And you can see there's a ton of cotton balls. Like the dude wore black socks. Like, why are you wearing black socks with these, bro? Like, wear white socks with them. Look, but it is what it is. I did pay about $270 something. It was like $250 plus tax, $270 something. If you look at the StockX fees right now, these bad boys are going for $450 plus after fees and stuff. Well over $500. Like damn near $550 or something like that. On Go, not really any cheaper. It's actually more expensive. And even used pairs go for $250, $300 for used pairs and stuff. And you know, they got pictures, but you can't really tell the exact quality. That's why I'd prefer checking them out in person. You can actually see how they look and stuff like that. I just love the fat laces. I love the condition of these are nice. Look, like you can see the shape of it, pretty nice. You know, I'll definitely put a shoe tree and stuff like that. I know not everybody's a fan of buying stuff used. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not paying over $500 for a pair of sneakers. Like, it is what it is. Like I love these, but I ain't really balling like that to pay $500 plus. Maybe I could not buy a few sneakers for a while and do that, but I don't know. I don't know if it's a mentality thing, if it's in my head. I don't know. But paying over $500, kind of crazy, in my opinion. But it is what it is. I'm definitely gonna try to clean these up. You know, like they could be in better condition. So I'm definitely gonna try to clean them up. The suede, you know, the suede could be, you know, brought out a little bit, that type of stuff. If any of you guys know anything about restoring sneakers or cleaning sneakers, let me know in the comment section what I can do or what I should do. But yeah, I'm definitely glad I got these. These are just freaking fire. Like I said, one of my favorite SB sneakers of all time. So definitely glad to be able to get one of these. I missed out on the orange lobsters too, so maybe I can get one of those used. Like dang dude, I should have just paid resale full amount. I was hoping to buy from a subscriber or someone that follows me on Instagram. I was hoping, but it didn't really work out. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and yeah, let me know if that's something that you guys would have caught. Let me know what you guys think. Got plenty coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you guys help a boy, press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Got plenty of videos. I've been doing 2 videos a day. 2 videos a day. I'm tired as hell, man. Getting you guys so many dang videos. I did go out to Pittsburgh again this past weekend. It was just for a day. So I got a couple vlogs coming from there. I'm gonna be out a ton this weekend out in the LA area, so let me know where I should hit up. I think I'm gonna hit up a ton of the Nike outlets. I don't really know yet, but yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I do have tons and tons of videos. You know, check out some of these videos. I got plenty of, I don't really hit the resale shops up too much, but yeah, I thought this was definitely interesting. I thought it was fun. There's some steals out there if you guys don't mind used sneakers. But yeah, let me know in the comment section. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.